Si Franz na nanonood. Eh, anak mo. Nagbabike. Sama ni Juju. Hello, Bakish. You working? Hey, Bakish. Don't forget, huh? Saturday. Ask Ali because Ali is not sure. But I invited also Ali. So come with him if you like. Okay, bro. Oh, Franz, si Clive. Ayan, oh. Binombahan namin yung ano niya, yung bike niya. Clive, balik ka dito. Your mom is watching. Your mom is watching. You're live on Facebook.
Huh?
You're live on Facebook.
Why?
Your mom is watching.
Why?
What do you mean why? Oh yeah, you have exams? Okay, but the party is starting from 2:30 to 6 p.m. bro. What happened, Ju? Hello, Eman Yaput. Hello, pre.
Daddy,
Balita dyan.
I don't wait.
Okay, bro. Thank you. You're coming vacation.
Daddy, I don't wait.
Huh?
I don't wait.
You don't like race? Okay, don't race. Where's your bike? Where? Go get it. You want to drink water? There's the water in the van. Halika na, uwi na tayo. Lunchtime.
Mommy, eat. It's quick, quiet.
Nandun, Clive, yung water, oh, sa van. Nagakuha tayo. Halika na, Ju. Get your bike. We're going home.
Okay.
Get your bike. Okay, lunchtime.
We going where?
We're going home. Our vacation is finished. Come on, ate. There. Nag-enjoy ba kayong dalawa?
No.
Why? Bakit? We're lunchtime. Okay, bye-bye.